Okay, the dreaded word problems. Using systems of equations to do word problems, it's actually a good thing. So Sharia and Ted each improved their yards by planting sod and ornamental grass. They bought their supplies from the same store. Sharia spent $13 on 1 square foot of grass sod and 1 bunch of ornamental grass. Ted spent $53 on 5 feet of grass sod and 1 bunch of ornamental grass. So, we've got grass sod and ornamental grass. Those are our 2 variables. So what do you want to call them? And I wouldn't call ornamental grass O. So why don't we call this one S for sod, and this G for grass, ornamental grass. Okay? So, Sharia spent $13. So that would be your total, right? Equals 13. And how much did she buy? She bought 1 square foot of grass sod, right? And 1 bunch of ornamental grass. So far so good? See where we got it? Straightforward? Sure. Ted spent a total of $53. What did he buy? How much grass sod? 5 square feet of sod. And how much ornamental grass? 1. You have your 2 equations. Now just solve the system. What do you want to do? Now you can do anything you want. Those are your 2 original equations as best they can be. So what are you going to do? You want to do it by substitution or elimination? Elimination, sure. What do you want to do? Multiply 1 by -1, right?
Yeah.
Which one? Doesn't matter.
Just take off the bottom.
Take off the bottom or the top? It's 1s. I'd rather, so this is going to become -1s minus 1g equals -13. See why? So all we did was multiply our problem A by -1. And they asked us how much is the grass sod and how much is the ornamental grass, right? So 4 sods goes away equals 40. How much is the sod? Yeah, but you can calculate it.
10.
So sod is $10 per square foot. So how much is the ornamental stuff? So grass would be, put it in one of the original equations. How much is the grass? If the sod is 10, how much is grass? It's $3 per bunch. How did we figure that out? I stuck it back in number 1, or in problem A. Because sod plus grass is 13. Everybody see how we got the equations? Everybody see how we solved the problems? Are we good?
Yeah.
Was it easier than word problems are supposed to be?
Yes.
Did it sound like a real life situation?
Yes.
No?
Oh, yeah.
You don't do a lot of gardening.